Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a fairly long time actually, but the car probably looks a little bit different to when you last saw it. I've got a new snorkel, new wheels and tyres, a few other little mods, suspension work, that sort of thing. I've done a whole lot of stuff that you can't actually see to the car as well, but yeah, I'll probably go over the car in another video, do a bit of an overview. And yeah, today I'm actually just going to put through some old footage from when I was living in Perth about a year and a half ago. It's Mundaring Power Lines, and yeah, it's pretty fun, I thought. A bit of challenging stuff, at least for the Subaru anyway. Makes a bit of a fuss about some things, but I'm still pretty impressed with what it actually gets done. But yeah, I've got as I mentioned, a few mods. So I've got the J-Max snorkel. I haven't actually crossed any rivers, well, deep rivers yet with that, so hopefully I'll get some of that on video for you guys soon. Yeah, got the BFG KM3s, Method 703s as well. Pretty happy with those. The car's pretty dirty at the moment. Went out full driving last weekend with a mate and had a good time. Haven't had a chance to clean the car yet. It's not filthy, but it's not clean either. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just going to roll on a few clips for you guys. They're old clips, but thought they were a bit of fun, so hope you guys enjoy them. And yeah, hopefully I'll make some more videos soon and maybe do an overview of the car with its new mods and get out there and do some more off-roading as well. So we'll see how we go. Anyway, cheers guys, enjoy. Hey guys, just a quick heads up. During the rest of this video you'll probably hear some clicking coming from my car, especially when the left rear wheel is spinning like it is now. Turned out it was just a loose clamp on one of the CV boots in the back there. Didn't know what it was on the day, but got that sorted. But it is there for the rest of the video, so don't stress about that if you hear it. Anyway, enjoy. Also, sorry for the wind noise, it was all just recorded on phones, so sorry about that one. Enjoy. Cheers.
That was a good test.
I want to go over there, but I'm too scared of that.
I went wheel either side of it.
Yeah. What if you slip in though?
Yeah, it might end badly. Smarter than me. Hey.
Just another quick one. This is the same climb, just from the second angle. Might be a bit of an overkill showing the same climb twice, but just having a full view from both angles really shows a bit more of what's happening. So I thought it was worth it. I was pretty impressed with this little climb for the Foz to get it done. And if you do know this climb in Mundaring Power Lines, you'll know it's pretty gnarly, pretty impressive. If you see it in person, it's always a lot worse than on camera. The camera never does it justice, but you just have to take my word for that.
What do you reckon, left side or straight up?
Like straddle where Josh is saying. Nice demonstration. That's going to be a challenge for it. Oh, that was close. Yeah.
I reckon it needs to come up here more.
Alrighty, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed it, please do leave a like. Apparently that helps the channel. I will try and make more videos soon, so if you liked what you saw, consider subscribing. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down button twice. See how that goes. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.